So this is the air filter. We'll try to open this.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again. So today we are doing a DIY on cleaning my car's air filter. You can follow the steps that I show you and clean your car's air filters as well. An air filter is a major part of the engine and it helps the engine breathe better and perform better and return better fuel efficiency. So it's vital to keep it clean, and today we are gonna learn how to keep it clean at home without visiting a garage. आप देख रहे होंगे कि जो मैं टूल्स यूज़ कर रहा हूँ वो सारे कॉमनली अवेलेबल टूल्स हैं, और अगर आपके पास ये टूल्स नहीं है तो लिंक्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, आप खरीद सकते हो। और जो हमें मेजर चीज़ जो हमें ज़रूरत पड़ेगी वो है एयर ब्लोअर। टू बाई द एयर ब्लोअर यू कैन विजिट द लिंक्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन और यू कैन बाई इट फ्रॉम योर लोकल मार्केट।
Okay, so I just pulled this thing out, this hose out. I also have to pull this hose out. Let's be careful to not damage these hoses. There it comes off. It's already off. These are out. The clips are out. There you go. The cover comes off. And there is the air filter sitting inside. Just pull it out. When you open the air filter box, make sure you clean it from inside. So just get rid of all the extra dust that settles down inside the box. Make sure the dust doesn't get into this part. This is the intake hose. Everything that goes inside will go into the engine. If possible, block this part with a cloth. So we're done there. Also clean this part. So yeah, we're done. So the first step of cleaning an air filter is to tap it lightly or gently on any surface like this.
Alright guys, so after this what we will be doing is we would be using an air blower to blow the dust from the air filter. Make sure that you blow the dust in the reverse direction of where the air flows into the engine from. So I will put down a photo to clarify that, and once the dust is clean, there is no visible dust coming out of that, then you can blow it from multiple directions and clean it through and thorough. The link of the blower would be in the description. Do check it out if you want to buy one, and you can do it at your home.
Alright guys, so air blowing is done on the air filter. This is the intake air filter of the car, and this side sits up. It can sit both ways, this way or that way. So just place it into place. Sits nice and snug. Then we'll bring this back here. This has to go in first.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you have to write that down in the comment section and I would answer them for you. So thanks again for watching. Keep supporting the channel. Watch the videos as much as you want. Share it with your friends, share it with your loved ones. उनके साथ ज़्यादा जिनको कि automobiles में interest हो या DIY में interest हो. So with that, we come to the end of this video. Thanks again and stay safe.